Caribbean Girl Talk. Tech Girls, it's Rohini from Trinidad and Tobago, and I just did the Tech4Girls e-commerce workshop Jamaica, and it was absolutely fantastic. I learned how to use online applications to create my own Shopify website/store selling Caribbean themed apparel and accessories. It was not only an educational experience, but as well as an actively participating hands-on experience that allowed me to interact with all of the online tools used to create the Shopify website, which was absolutely dynamic. Tech4Girls is highly important in giving females the opportunity to hone their skills and coexist with the 21st century developments such as globalization. It also helps breaking the gender barriers which are existent in the STEM and technological environment. On that note, I am highly excited for the award ceremony this Saturday, where there will be winners and prizes for the best Shopify accounts. Good luck to all of us. Don't forget to check out live stream information online, and I will see you Saturday live at Digital Jamaica.